Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Honda CR-V. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always work on a flat, stable surface and use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle once it's raised. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental movement and ensures a secure working environment for you. To lift the front of your CR-V, find the central jack point, typically a strong crossmember behind the engine. Position your hydraulic jack squarely beneath this point. Slowly raise the vehicle until it reaches the desired height. Once lifted, carefully place your jack stands under the designated frame points, usually near the front wheels, and then gently lower the vehicle onto them for stability. For the rear of your Honda CR-V, locate the central jack point, often a sturdy part of the rear subframe or tow hook area. Position your jack carefully and begin to raise the vehicle. As the rear lifts, place your jack stands under the designated frame points, typically just in front of the rear wheels. Once the stands are in place, slowly lower the vehicle onto them, ensuring it's stable and secure. When you're ready to lower your CR-V, first raise the vehicle slightly with your jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the frame. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Once it's fully down, remove the jack and the wheel chocks. Always double-check that everything is clear before driving away.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.